Bow bow chicka bow wow wow chicka chicka bow wow wicka wicka wow 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 bow wow 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 bow wow bow wow 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 wow.
I make it say when I.
Hey everyone, what's up? I'm P-Hat. This is just a little update video. And what else? I am getting 99 firemaking, so you probably just saw all the logs I had. So, yes. And I don't know, I'm just gonna talk about myself and a bunch of other junk. So, I have 72 firemaking. And I stopped fishing at 70. I'm probably going to start fishing after I get 99 fire making. So I'm going to be here for a while. So this is going to be fun. And what else? Oh yeah, the best thing that ever happened to me on RuneScape has happened today. On this day. And that is... Okay, I'm just going to say another story. So, what happened was... If you didn't know, I just came back from New York. I was there since Thursday. And I was there for, well, today's Sunday. I just got back like 2 hours ago. So what happened was, when I was coming back, I was at the airport, so there was like an hour, like 30 minutes till my flight was on, so I got my dad's laptop, and I was like, let's play some RuneScape. So I did, I got on, and my friend was like, oh my god, there's a 25 mil drop party in World War II, so a free-to-play drop party thing. So I went there, and there was 60 seconds left, so a minute till they dropped 25 mil. So I looked in the chest, and there's 25 mil cash. So I was like, oh my god. And then I was like, so there's like 30 seconds left after I stopped looking at it, because there was like all this other junk in there, like thread and like ashes and all that other crap that like noobs put in there, you know what I mean? So after I looked at that, there's like 30 seconds left, so I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And I was just looking through it, and then like I just got over to one part, and there's 10 seconds left. I was like, oh my god, there's 10 seconds left. What am I gonna do? So I started dropping. I was like, and you know how everything, like in a free-to-play world, if the drop party's over 100k, everybody freaks out and goes to it. So like the whole world is in one room, and that is the party room at once. So it's like laggy as anything. So I was in there, and like the balloon started dropping. So like all these people were like piling on one balloon, and I finally got one balloon, so I just started walking, and I didn't think I got anything. So I saw this little red dot on my thing, and then on the map thing, so I was like, oh my god, that was my drop, and there's coins, and it was like a huge stack. So I was like, it's probably like 50k. So when I went over to it, picked it up, and I looked in my inventory, and there's 15 mil cash.
Oh my god, I got 15 mil.
I was like, oh my god. So that, I totally just freaked out when I got that. I was like not like publicly, like mentally, because I was like in an airport, and that'd be horrible, and I'd probably get attacked by like security. But so that was pretty awesome, and I'll just do a little quick overview of my bank after I finish this inventory of loggers. So yeah, see how much percent I've got. My goal is 99 fire making from level 45, and I've done 6% of that. I feel accomplished. Let's see, my quests, I only have one quest on. I haven't started any quests, except the little tutorial island one. And, let's see, my Slayer level is 43, woodcutting 40, fire making 72, cooking 99, fishing 70, agility 21. I got that up so I could use the little like thing that's like over there somewhere. The thing that goes from here to Edgeville. That place is super awesome. And I just spit on my screen. That's disgusting. Okay. Okay, well, let's show you my bank. Don't, like, have a heart attack because it's so amazing, I know. But, yeah. So, here's my... Well, I want to... Okay. Here's my bank. What's that coming? 15 mil. When I got to 15 mil, I already had 5 mil, or no, 1.5 mil. So I 16.5. 16.577 point, or no, it's 16.577944 mil. I know, that's a lot. And I feel accomplished, because that was the most amazing thing that's ever happened in RuneScape. And here's my teleports, kind of bracelet thing. Buy a notebook. Clicking gate next tab. Clicking the skill gate tool thing. Training stuff. More clothes and like outfits and junk. And then I have my logs I need to get to 99 fire rate. So that is pretty balling. And what else? That's pretty much it. I haven't really done anything else other than like fire making, and I plan on having a update or like progress video on like the 15th of November. And hopefully I'll get to that because I am getting Call of Duty, or Modern Warfare 2, not Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2, but Modern Warfare 2. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to play RuneScape for like a month after I get that game. But I will try to get that progress video in, because I'm probably going to play that game like Madden. So that's going to be balling. And that's pretty much it. So I guess this is so long. Alright, I'm out.